Ramesh was a young man who lived in a small town. He came from a poor family, but he had big dreams. While others were happy working for small wages, Ramesh wanted to start his own business. He believed that with smart thinking and hard work, he could change his life. One day, Ramesh noticed that the farmers in his town were struggling to sell their vegetables. The market was far away, and they had no easy way to transport their goods. Many vegetables would rot before they could be sold. Ramesh saw an opportunity. He went to the farmers and said, "If you let me sell your vegetables, I will bring them fresh to the market and get a good price." The farmers were unsure at first, but Ramesh convinced them. He borrowed a cart from a friend and started his work. Every morning, Ramesh would collect vegetables from the farmers and take them to the market. He worked hard, waking up early and ensuring the vegetables were fresh and neatly arranged. Customers in the market loved the quality, and Ramesh soon became popular. With the profits he made, Ramesh saved enough money to buy a small truck. Now, he could carry more vegetables and visit more markets. He also paid the farmers fairly, which made them trust him even more. They were happy because Ramesh helped them earn more money, but Ramesh didn't stop there. He observed that people in his town also struggled to buy fresh vegetables. So he came up with a clever idea: home delivery. He hired a few young men to deliver vegetables directly to people's homes. Customers loved this convenience, and Ramesh's business grew even bigger. As his income increased, Ramesh reinvested in his business. He rented a shop in the town and turned it into a vegetable store. The store was clean, organized, and always stocked with fresh produce. He also started selling fruits and groceries, making it a one-stop shop for everyone. Ramesh's cleverness didn't just lie in finding opportunities. He was also good at listening to his customers. When people requested new items, he made sure to add them to his store. He also treated his employees well, paying them fair wages and respecting their hard work. Over time, Ramesh became known as the most trusted businessman in the area. His store thrived, and he even opened branches in neighboring towns. Despite his success, Ramesh stayed humble. He always remembered his struggles and continued to help the farmers and his community. One day, a young boy asked Ramesh, "Uncle, how did you become so successful?" Ramesh smiled and replied, "Success comes from looking for opportunities, working hard, and always being honest with people. Never be afraid to start small. Big things grow from small beginnings. As Ramesh's business grew, he began to think about new ways to expand. One day, he noticed that the farmers in his area had seasonal crops, meaning they earned money only during certain times of the year. During the off-season, many of them struggled financially. Ramesh wanted to help them and grow his business at the same time. He visited the farmers and said, "Why not grow crops that are needed all year round, like leafy greens, tomatoes, or onions? I will help you sell them and provide seeds and fertilizers if needed." The farmers agreed, trusting Ramesh because he had always been fair. To make this plan work, Ramesh partnered with an agricultural expert who taught the farmers modern techniques to improve their yields. Soon, the farmers started earning more, and Ramesh's store was filled with fresh produce all year round. Customers appreciated the variety and quality, making Ramesh's store even more popular. But Ramesh didn't stop at just selling vegetables and groceries. He realized that people in the town had a growing interest in healthy eating. He introduced a new section in his store called Healthy Corner, where he sold organic produce, homemade pickles, and traditional snacks made by local women. This not only brought him more customers, but also gave local women a chance to earn money by selling their products. Ramesh's story teaches us the value of hard work, smart thinking, and kindness. He proved that with determination and clever ideas, anyone can turn challenges into opportunities and achieve great success. Today, Ramesh's name is remembered not just as a clever businessman but as a kind-hearted visionary who proved that success is sweeter when shared with others. His story reminds us that true success comes from blending intelligence with compassion.